Discover the endless possibilities of geodesic domes as accessory dwelling units, or ADUs, across the United States with Pacific Domes, the original dome company. With evolving regulations nationwide, now is the perfect time to consider a dome for your backyard living space. Our stunning geodesic domes offer a unique and versatile living experience. With evolving regulations nationwide, now is the perfect time to consider a dome for your backyard living space. Our stunning geodesic domes offer a unique and versatile living experience. Local agencies are streamlining the permitting process, making it easier than ever to get approved for your dome, provided it meets health and safety codes. Remember, acceptance can vary by locality, so check with your local planning department to understand specific requirements. Our domes are designed with safety in mind, ensuring compliance with local health and safety standards. Why choose a geodesic dome? They offer versatile living spaces, eco-friendly designs, quick setup, and a unique aesthetic that stands out. Transform your backyard into a beautiful living space with a Pacific Dome. To learn more about how our domes can fit into your vision for ADU, contact pacificdomes.com today.